Yo, 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 what's up, YouTube fam? The Surgeon's back again with another episode. Today in this episode, I am going to be doing a teardown on a Samsung Galaxy S10e. But this is going to be episode 1 of 2, so it's kind of nice to break it up into 2 different segments. So if you do want to see a teardown, you can refer to this video. Now, I didn't have time to do the full glass replacement on this device. My cousin's getting married, so I will be visiting Guanajuato, Mexico. I'm pretty excited to go out there on this trip. It's gonna be myself, my mom, dad, brother, and sister. So it's gonna be a great family vacation for us to spend some quality time and of course go celebrate the wedding of my cousin Danny Guzman's. In case you guys missed our last live feed that we did, we are actually giving away a screen repair, okay? So all you got to do is refer back to the video that we went on live, subscribe to our channel, and comment on that video. I'll go ahead and leave a card up above so you guys can go ahead and click there, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment so you can be entered in our raffle. I will be going live either mid-July or end of July to do the raffle and pick a winner for the Samsung screen repair. And once again, guys, we opened it up, okay? So you don't have to be USA based. If you are from anywhere outside of the US, all we do ask is that you do pay for shipping to us and, of course, back to you guys. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to leave them down below. And once again, guys, thank you all for your support. It means a lot to us here at the Mr. Phone Doctor headquarters. So let's step back into the shop and let's get this sucker dissected.
Back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up, back up, back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'ma need you to back up. Spilling the tea, you stirring the cup. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'm in the 7, I'm gonna act up. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'ma need you to back up. Spilling the tea, you stirring the cup.
All right, what's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to the lab. So here's the S10e that we are actually going to be working on today. We're going to just do a quick little teardown on the device, get it fully disassembled and prepped, so that way we can come back in and do video 2, which is going to be the glass replacement. So first thing is we're going to want to go ahead and test the device. Let's go into the test menu and we're going to want to test the touch, make sure touch is fully working. And everything looks perfect. So there we are. Touch is fully working. We can now begin removing the back glass, and then from there we'll remove the back plates and logic board and all the small components. Okay, so the device is nice and toasty. I'm going to go and turn her over and begin removing the back glass. Alright, so back glass is off. I'm going to go ahead and clean any residue that is on here, especially all this little dirt and cruds that got in on the edges. So here we go. She's all nice and clean. We can go ahead and begin by removing all the Phillips screws that are on the back, holding the back plate on. So we do, of course, want to first disconnect the power, and I may not have needed to remove these screws here, so I'll put those screws aside and may pop it back in because you can see the flexes right here. So we have the camera, the LED, the headset jack, and it looks like there's a couple screws holding it down. We got a screw here and down on the bottom, so let's get those out. There we are, there's one. Número dos. And number 3. All right. So there, now we can safely remove the logic board. Boom. Here we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove this camera. Since we are stripping this phone, we can use this as parts. So let's just pop that off. There's the camera. And here's the logic board. So these do use AMOLED displays. I'm just trying to think how this is assembled because this is the first one that we've done. I don't want to damage the display once we get it all taken apart. So I'm going to go ahead and go through, clear up all the glue adhesives, and we should be able to go through and remove the AMOLED display. Okay, so the mid-frame is removed. It's fairly simple. I originally thought that there was going to be a plastic bezel that actually went up over this display, but it looks like the bezel is actually built into this actual frame. If you notice the black little bezel right here, so this is what actually sits the AMOLED display into, so that way it doesn't move and it gets a good alignment. So that's really good to know that the bezel is built into this frame. So our next step is, of course, we're going to want to go ahead and just clean the back of this, and we'll give it another test here and wrap up this video. Another thing, guys, our technician Saul just noticed that this is the fingerprint sensor, so that's why it has these connections here. So if anytime you want to unlock the phone, you just put your finger on here instead of it having the fingerprint sensor like the S10s and the S10 Pluses.
Electric blows my mind when we get connected. I can feel it running through my veins tonight. Bring me back to life. Your love's electric.
Okay, display is clean. I'm gonna go and put my initials on like we normally do. Alright, so we are safe to pull this off the heating plate and give it a test. I'm just gonna inspect everything real quick, see how it all looks, and everything looks great. You can see the impact point here. Yeah, overall this is gonna be, I believe, a really simple repair. So if you do have an S10e that needs to be worked on, feel free to let us know. We're going to start working on these as well. And if you guys want, we'll also include this into our giveaway. So make sure that you guys subscribe to our channel and check out our video that we did previously. I'll include a link card up above on the top left. So if you guys want to click there, you can click there and comment on that video. Alright, so she's booting up perfectly. Let's go ahead and do our test, which will test the touch. And it looks like it is good to go. So once again, guys, I do apologize. I don't have time to do the glass replacement on this video. So once again, this is going to be video 1 of 2. I'm actually going to be heading out of town. I'm going to Guanajuato for my cousin's wedding. So the Guzman is getting married. So it's going to be a really fun trip. I'm looking forward to going out there. My family, brother, my entire family is going to be going out there. So it's going to be lots of fun, and I'm really looking forward to taking a 5-day break over this 4th of July holiday. I really hope you guys have a happy 4th of July. Once again, thank you all for checking out this video, and I will pick up with this video once I get back from vacation, guys. You guys have a great 4th of July. Be safe out there, and we'll see you all soon. Cheers.